This is very nice place for doing exercise.
Around 5 externals and all my faculties.
Good morning guys. So we are going to start our daily routine today, and for a change we are doing our exercise today in terrace. You can see here we have good climate, so this is very nice place for doing exercise. So Gray won't be joining today because she have a lot of college work, so we five will be continuing with our exercise.
So guys, we finished our exercise. It's been beautiful start
It's amazing today.
Yeah, nice climate. Nice.
Look at the wind, look at the sky, look at the trees, and it's
been
more
fresh.
like a fresh workout, not like an intense thing. It's like bringing our
Smooth
body
and
back to that
nice.
exercise mode,
Yeah.
which we're gonna start from tomorrow.
It's
Yeah.
calm, it's fresh. So let's continue the day and let's get back to our work.
How do you think her jury will be?
I think she's gonna nail it, guys.
And she has got 5 externals and 3
Plus 3 internals.
She's gonna nail it. 8 jury member sounds like half of the class.
Yeah.
It's like 8 people to take the jury and just one person to face all of them together. Shit.
Today, like, how's your jury? I mean,
Guru, I don't have anything good.
why? What? I don't have anything. You do. You're just panicking.
And Zoe has a lot of clothes you can borrow from.
Oh, you can just wear your. Why don't you wear your
White
stitched
top.
stuff? Stitched.
Wear your clothes.
I'm supposed to present it.
Yeah, so
You can wear and present
you
it.
can present the rest. You're presenting yourself. Present it with your clothes.
It's so winter wear.
We can on the fans,
It's
guys.
almost winter. It's so cold.
It's fun. I'm telling you, the best idea is to just wear your clothes.
Jury people wear formers.
Go full swag. It's your clothes. It's your designer wear. Do this, guys. Support me.
Will Grey wear her clothes or not?
No,
I don't think she will.
Yours here.
bro, it is so winter wear. It's quilted with 2. Some 100 CSM.
It's amazing. Okay, fashion.
I will wear this and put some coats on top of it. That's it.
That day we tried out.
You have any shirts, formal shirts or something?
That is in wash.
That
white shirt only.
What do you see?
Okay, so
This is my final jury. There is around 5 externals and all my faculty. So it is 8 people and me alone presenting my jury.
9 people in a Zoom meeting.
So after this, I'm done. I'm done.
Yesterday
My eyes is already done.
Put some lipstick probably.
It's already there.
I think never.
I'm not wearing my glasses, guys.
I need those 2 dresses.
Okay. Who's going to take bath?
Only now.
Poked a lot of skins here.
It is.
Oh, my things you shouldn't touch. No, probably after putting this down, I will go take a shower.
So you need to remove this everything?
Is it gonna fall apart?
Bro, this is our pattern making work.
Just take it off.
You were supposed to explain that.
didn't
do that final exhibition.
I'm telling you. It's done. You're done with the work. Yeah.
We completed
I'm
our
supposed to sit with 2 of my all my collections presented and me sitting on Zoom.
So you're keeping 2 dresses for
2
one
collections, right?
2 dress of 1 collection.
So she
Collection is 6.
And the third dress form can be yourself.
So you're going to give 2 dress form or a 1 dress form? 2 dress forms.
You can see. So over and over. 2 dress forms. 2 dress forms. So what two are you going to present? Which two? Sorry.
This one.
Okay.
And the white one.
The white. It's on. Then you can wear yellow. Stop it right.
Haha, I'm going to wear my yellow.
I like it. It's so nice. It's not like the white dress or some dress that I can probably fish out from mine.
Yeah, you can actually
Take that. I'm just gonna like.
Hmm.
Quick. Is this fine?
You need to remove the pin.
A window wear.
Say it's so cold here.
Yeah, band.
So can you tie your hair up? A high pony.
High pony.
Do you have a rubber band?
No.
Sure.
It's not a high pony.
That's a bun. Sorry. No, high pony. Tie a high pony.
Okay, is this high? So in this coat you can see something.
Like this pattern.
My face.
Probably a little more than the outside one.
So this is the reveal. Like you will be feeling like the whole collection is about like, not revealing the true self of yours and being.
You unleash it.
Yeah, and you unleash yourself and see the beauty of your character, the colorful and all.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is a
Bleach dye.
bleach dye. We did it here.
I remember.
That's a very
It
low
gave a
pattern.
really nice pattern.
Like the colors are just too.
Bleach dye is a form of tie and dye.
Yeah, it's one of the type of thing.
And it's the easiest, I guess. It takes less time also.
Huh.
Yeah, less time to soak.
So this was our lockdown hack because there was really supportive from their side. So thank you so much for making this happen.
Will they be watching the video?
I wish.
That'd be nice.
It'll be really nice if they
You can
also
attach the link while you're presenting the GP
yeah,
presentation.
you should.
In your presentation, you can add it too.
Follow.
And all of yours also. Yeah.
That will be
Especially drinks.
Yes, that can spoil few things.
DIYs.
The sleeve, please.
Your sleeve variation. will be
Drinks.
nice.
My signature sleeve pattern.
This is cold inside, it's good.
Nice enough.
Okay. I'll show you just like that.
Just wear it, I want to see. Just wear it.
It's a wear.
Me?
If I have 5 people standing behind me with my collection.
That will be the best you can do.
That's so good.
And we can even pose. No
one's body form. That'll be good.
Yeah.
Get creative.
That will be great, bro.
Do you want to do that?
Just do your swag. Do it. And so after that person comes, everyone will ask, okay, what is happening? What is that? And they don't do.
It can be like getting roasted there all alone.
Might
It's a
be.
sweet roast.
We will be in the behind the scenes. Don't worry.
So we are gonna get a jury experience for final year.
Okay, will it stay after 2 years?
God knows, God knows.
Too early experience for 2 years after 2 years.
So this is how an online DC collection will look like. It won't be, normally it is done as a fashion show and like a very good event, very class, like there a lot of people will be invited, there will be dinner and
Ah,
yeah,
shit.
yeah.
Okay.
It used to be really beautiful. It's a beautiful evening and there will be models walking on the runway and we can just sit and watch in the front row. And the designer will walk at the end like, thank you. Ram was coming in. When the first year, second year, I thought, okay, I'll be able to one day walk in the ramp and just say, okay, this is my design.
But yeah,
Thank you. It's okay, thank you.
I think we can do so.
Yeah, thank
you should get back as an admin.
Okay guys, so the presentation starts after lunch, so
Probably,
we'll see
yeah.
how this goes.
you. Don't know. If they go fast, it will be.
Shit, which side are you sitting?
So now we have our juries.
Shit, I have my work, I'm going.
So I guess we'll get Grace jury on video. Okay, the location is getting set.
Okay, so let's quickly set up the place.
Showing this
Yeah, we are. So you can sit here, right? You can probably sit here.
Yeah, she can.
Facing-
This is a nice background.
Yeah,
you
right.
can keep that as a background.
Mm-hmm.
This light. Face this side. Nice aesthetic on the background. Hi, nobody will have such a good background. Jewelry location. And at afternoon, just sun rays will just fall on the wall, forming beautiful patterns.
If it's noon, I'm done.
You're roasted, literally.
I'm roasted.
Roasted in the sun. Actually, the sun rays will fall like this.
Bro, it is sunlight.
It will be like roasting from
I'll be
inside
literally
and outside.
sweating. I'll be literally sweating in this costume.
Yeah, that will happen. We can set up a fan.
Okay, let's see how long we can go. If not, we'll just do some.
Yep.
To that area. So, maybe some.
Set up the next mannequin, and then we can.
Yeah.
Set up the next one. So,
What are you doing, Rix? Meanwhile,
removing all the pins from the patterns. Lot of pins.
so you're done with your.
Yeah, PM is done, but 2 more subjects are left. Today we have FDI submission.
Okay, what is FTA? I don't think people understand Sinhala.
Fashion design and illustration. Little more work is left.
Oh.
The pants.
We'll have to pin it up, no?
Yeah.
We can pin.
Pin it up, pin it up.
Pin it up.
Yeah. That's not
First
right. Plan. Pin unit, right?
Ooh.
Body pins. This coming outside.
Hope the externals forgive me for all the mistakes that I did.
Any idea on who the externals are?
No idea.
So we've got the tank top. I think we're good to go.
Yeah.
Yes.
I like these 2 colors.
The coat. No, before coat
This
there's
one was a sharp.
double coat.
Double?
Layered.
Like Loki. Double coat.
Yeah.
Perfect winter.
Loki's color also.
This we can wear in Sweden.
Yeah.
Sweden winter.
After some days, we also will use it because Bangalore weather is also
Getting
cold day by day.
The
it's
summer
becoming
is
more
winter
cold.
is coming, guys. Winter is coming. Should be mine. I should have put that.
Your collection.
Why did I put solitude?
You should have actually kept that.
You can
Winter is coming.
add that pointer though.
Yeah.
Because winter is coming.
One more dress? No. No. Why you only do?
Two is enough.
Yeah, it's like a good bag.
But looking good.
Sports. And we in the front.
Sit down.
These are my tall models. Be more tall.
Looking good.
Tall models catching my hands and
But they would.
Yo, let the show begin. Yeah, this model's a little more smoother.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Let's see your pose now. There you go. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, let's put some music. Get the show rolling, guys. Uh-huh. Nice. Now, guys, let's give it up for the designer. Woohoo!
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming to my show. Thank you so much.
Hold hands with your models. Probably you should walk with them.
Come on, let's go.
There you go, guys. Strike a pose. Yay!
Click a photo with me.
Guys, clap hands. Clap hands. Not you, the designer. Oh god.
Thank you for coming to my show. It's so. Oh, come on, mom, let's go. Let's finish
Gray is ready for jury. Hi, Gray.
I'm next.
She's the next person. Place is set. Everything is set.
All my collection is set. I'm also ready.
Yes. All the best.
Thanks, guys. And coming to the swatches, I I wanted to do quilting as my surface development. So my swatches are more concentrated on cotton, and then what can be done for quilting. So that was my exploration mainly. So I took 100% cotton twills, and I explored on quilting and tie and dye, along with corduroy as one of my material, which will make it look a little bit luxury.
Yeah. Thanks, Hamna. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks so much. Thank you, everyone.
At last, jury finished. Congratulations. Done. So fast, actually.
They liked it.
Even if I get a lot of bad reviews,
Okay.
could have explored more was the thing they told.
Yeah.
But because of lockdown, there was a lot of risk.
They're asking the question also,
Yeah.
no, what you...
You presented it pretty chill and
Bro, I'm free.
officially out of it.
Okay guys, so it's almost night and it's raining heavily outside and everyone is in completely working mode. Okay.
Nice, really nice.
Hello, what's going on?
See
What happened?
See this?
Yesterday, after seeing our video,
Uh,
my
okay.
father sent this
Yeah.
showing
Oh,
the same thing.
You didn't see, right? You didn't see.
No, I was just figuring out some other things.
Really
What's
nice.
this?
It's really
This
nice.
is interesting one.
Whoa.
Whoa, this is a pro level.
This is really good.
We are in beginner level.
Yeah, it's actually next level.
Guys, this is amazing and it's really nice that we can see like people responding and also reacting to our content,
You guys
our
also
videos.
try this, drop it down. We'll
Yeah,
see.
just
and
let us know that.
Yeah,
We are really happy.
bro, uncle has done a great job. Like,
He used to do this, but I never considered this as a huge task until we did it last year.
yeah, only then you realize the difficulty behind it.
It's so easy.
And yeah, we'll have a look.
We'll just go outside.
Trixie is already covered with hoodies.
I changed my hoodie also.
Okay, let's have a look at how it's outside.
Sweater.
Okay, Loki is here. Okay guys, it's dark outside. We thought we could show something, but it's already dark. We came inside, it's warm inside here.
Better lighting also.
Yeah.
We can see more things.
So we'll get back to work and then yeah. We have ghee, we have pumpkin sweets, cashew nuts, almonds and raisins.
A lot of things. It's a dry fruit shop.
Dry fruit shopping.
A lot of dry fruits here. What is this?
Yeah, okay, so this is the continuation of the story that you already know. So, yeah. So yesterday's consultation with doctor was unsuccessful.
Day
So-
before yesterday.
Yeah. Okay, it's day before yesterday. So after that, today afternoon around 2:30, 3 o'clock, we consulted to doctor.
Yes,
I
doctor.
consulted to doctor.
We got a doctor.
Yeah, through online video consultation, and she prescribed a lot of medicines and a lot more food.
Yeah.
And she
Better
told,
food.
yeah, lot of precautions, lot of
It's more
suggestions.
better than having like all the medicine. She gave mostly plan based on the meals and food she need to intake. So that's why we have bought all these things.
all the dry
Because all of us, we are also snacking in between and we are also finishing them.
Yeah.
I think.
So there are a lot of nuts and stuff she told, and even I asked like underweight I'm going and we are doing exercises every day. So should we do any changes and all? She's like exercises are good, do more muscle gain exercises, that's always good. But do take enough of food so that can support your
Yeah,
exercises.
there should
That's
be a
really
balance
Yeah.
in between both
Yeah.
the exercise and also the protein or whatever food you are taking.
And she suggested me protein powder so that I can increase my weight.
Okay, good.
Yeah, so
And there is a change in meal plan also.
Wow, what
the
is that?
3-time plan will be changed to
Yeah.
a 5-time plan.
Five
Obviously, we
time
do
how?
it every day, like snacking in between, but just making it more proper and
Official.
making sure that
guys, so I already like have 5 times a meal, but I have to be more careful on what I'm having, like more fruits, more nuts, mindful eating, I would say. Like,
Yeah.
I mean, all these
Very
words
much
are coming.
careful about the health, guys. Very
Yeah,
much.
all these words are coming right now, but before.
Yeah, now only we understood
So
the.
eat well, because after once you reach a certain age, even though you eat, your body won't take it, and then you will realize for not eating, for not doing enough stuff. So have
it, guys.
good food. That's the lesson of the.
the day. For the day.
So that's it. It's almost
it,
night.
yeah. Okay.
We'll again get back to our works, editing and stuff.
Okay, guys.
Okay.
Good night.
Good night. Bye.
And
Don't forget to share.
like, share, comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon below.
Yeah.
Good night.
Good night. Bye.